Hi guys. So apparently I missed a couple of studs back here. There was one behind this heat shield that I couldn't see, one up here, one down there, but as you can see, transmission is removed away from the motor, and we tried to push the truck back. Didn't quite work. The engine hoist is buried into the dirt, so you can't pull it out. But definitely got the transmission moved away from the motor. Now we're gonna hook up the tractor and try to pull it back, because the sucker's heavy and we can't, even with help, I can't move it back. So we'll be back. Alright, we got the tractor hooked up. We got Scott in the tractor, gonna pull it. Got walkie-talkies so that I can let him know what's going on. Ready? Ready. Alright, I'm about to put my phone down so I can pay attention. Good. Alright, there she is. Alright, got the engine stand hooked up, still on the hoist. Gonna get the tractor and bring the whole thing in the garage. And this is what it looks like removed. It was a little hung up because I didn't disconnect it from the starter, and but it's out and I didn't break anything, so we're good. And that's gonna wrap it up for today. Probably gonna put it on the back patio for now and then bring it in the garage tomorrow, because as you can tell, we're losing daylight. My phone obviously doesn't show, but we're losing daylight, so yeah, here it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We're hopefully going to be able to take the motor apart here soon. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. Sorry again that it's going to be a short video, but working after work doesn't help. So here we go. Have a good day.